Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll briefly present a few useful expressions that are used with select statements. The first one is count. Count is a built-in database function that retrieves the number of rows that match the query criteria. For example, get the total number of rows in a given table. Select Count* from table name. Let's say you create a table called Medals, which has a column called Country, and you want to retrieve the number of rows where the medal recipient is from Canada. You can issue a query like this. Select Count, Country, from medals where country equals Canada. The second expression is distinct. Distinct is used to remove duplicate values from a result set. Example, to retrieve unique values in a column. Select Distinct Column Name from Table Name. In the medals table mentioned earlier, a country may have received a gold medal multiple times. Example, retrieve the list of unique countries that received gold medals, that is, removing all duplicate values of the same country. Select Distinct Country from medals where medal type equals gold. The third expression is limit. Limit is used for restricting the number of rows retrieved from the database. Example, retrieve just the first 10 rows in a table. Select * from table name, limit 10. This can be very useful to examine the result set by looking at just a few rows instead of retrieving the entire result set, which may be very large. Example, retrieve just a few rows in the medals table for a particular year. Select * from medals where year equals 2018, limit 5. In this video, we looked at some useful expressions that are used with select statements, namely the count, distinct, and limit built-in functions. Thanks for watching this video.